Welcome to another video. Windows 10 will sooner or later tell you whether your PC is ready for Windows 11. In case you don't want to get reminded by Microsoft, you have clicked the right video. In this video, I will show you how to prevent Windows 10 from updating to Windows 11. Let's get started. Microsoft introduced the first version of Windows in 1985. It was based on Microsoft Disk Operating System, also known as DOS, an operating system that Billy Gates bought for $75,000. Billy stole the idea for the graphical user interface from his friend Steve Jobs, if I remember correctly. No, enough fake news for today. In fact, both Apple and Microsoft have been inspired by Xerox. So that was the story, but now back to the topic of this video. First, you should find out which Windows 10 version you are using. To do this, open a DOS box and enter the ver command. Another way to find out the Windows version is through the system information. You can also find this information in the About section of the Settings dialog. Before you prevent Windows from updating, you should check how long your version will be supported. In my case, support ends on December 13th. After that, I will no longer receive security updates. As far as I'm concerned, it's probably a good idea to upgrade to the latest Windows 10 version. To prevent Windows 10 from updating, go to Settings. Select Update and Security. Now click on Keep Windows 10 for now. You should now no longer be bothered with Windows 11 updates. If for some reason you want to stick with a particular version of Windows, you can do so by adding a setting in the Windows registry. To do this, open the registry editor. It is best to run the application with administrator privileges. Open OK Local Machine. Software. Policies. In my case, the key is not available, so I have to create it first. There is a good article that describes all the necessary steps in detail. I will copy from there to avoid mistakes. This was my video on how to block Windows upgrades and how to stick with a particular version. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.